Hello, Mr. Customer. This is Maylee from the internet company. Can you please tell me how can I assist today? Oh my goodness. So you've been with no internet for 2 days? For sure. Let me go ahead and assist you right away. Just a moment. Oh, I do see here your account is suspended out of non-payment. So we need to make a payment of $100 on the account so we can resume your service. So would you like me to go ahead and do it from my end here right now while having you on the call? Or you would like me to guide you through how to do it through the application from your end? You know how to do it through the app. That's perfect. That's more than perfect. So once you make a payment of $100 on the account, your service is gonna get resumed within 24 hours. Then no need to take any further action. You will have your internet. You can enjoy it one more time. All right? Is there any other thing that I can assist you with before I let you go? All right. Thanks for having me for today and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.